You need to watch this if you've ever felt lost in the maze of database choices. If database jargon makes your head spin, you're not alone. App devs, this is your cheat sheet to picking the perfect database for your next project. Let's keep it simple, practical, and maybe even a bit fun, because choosing a database shouldn't feel like a final exam. And hey, a little fun never hurt anyone, right? Alright, picture this. Databases are like gym memberships. There are tons of options, each promising to get you in shape, but not all of them fit your style or needs. There's plenty of hype, and if you pick the wrong one, you could end up stuck with a painful bill, or worse, a painful migration later. So here's the lowdown. No fluff, just what you need to know to make a smart choice. SQL databases, like PostgreSQL or MySQL, are the neat freaks of the database world. They love order, structure, and rules. If your app needs to store tidy rows, enforce strict relationships, or run complex searches and reports, SQL is your best mate. Pro, rock-solid reliability, ACID transactions, and perfect for anything with strict data rules. Think banking apps, e-commerce, or anything where data integrity is a must. Con, not the easiest to flex if your data keeps changing shapes, or if you want to move fast and break things. NoSQL, think MongoDB, DynamoDB, or Firestore, is the cool, flexible one at the party. It doesn't care about rigid tables or schemas, perfect for quick changes, scaling up fast, or if your data is all over the place, like user profiles, chat messages, or IoT data. Pro handles massive scale, great for real-time apps, and you can skip the whole define your schema upfront headache. Con, it can be a wild west, sometimes tricky for complex queries, joins, or safe transactions. You might need to do more work to keep your data consistent. So ask yourself, what kind of data am I storing? Is it structured and predictable, or messy and ever-changing? Is ACID, those atomic, consistent, isolated, durable transactions, important for my app? Will my app need to handle millions of users, or just a few hundred? Do I need to scale up overnight, or is steady growth okay? And be honest, are you allergic to managing servers, updates, and backups? Cloud databases like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure can do the heavy lifting for you, handling scaling, security, and maintenance. That means you can focus on building features and sipping coffee, instead of worrying about server crashes at 2 a.m. But always double-check pricing, read the fine print, and set up backups. Quick cheats. PostgreSQL for complex queries and data integrity, MongoDB for wild, flexible data, Firestore for mobile and real-time sync, Redis for blazing speed, Neo4j for graph relationships, and DynamoDB for epic planet-scale workloads. There's a tool for every job. Don't be afraid to mix and match if your app needs it. Final tip, prototype first. Don't just marry the first database you meet. Try a few, see what fits, and don't be afraid to pivot if you hit a wall. Every app is different, so test, break, and tweak until you find your perfect match. Still stuck or overwhelmed by options? Drop your app idea in the comments and I'll help you out. No judgment, just real advice. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more dev wisdom. Buzzword free, straight to the point, and always here to help you level up.